Hey guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys one very simple method in which you can make your own deep conditioner at home using just one simple ingredient, and we are obviously talking about rice. So I have with me 1 cup of rice here. I added 1 cup of rice into this bowl, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash it 3 times to get rid of any dirt or impurities and whatnot, and then we'll proceed to the next step. This deep conditioning treatment is something you need to add to your hair care regimen, because trust me, it is going to help your hair a whole lot, because it will help prevent damage, it reduces breakage and split ends, and it is also going to promote elasticity of your hair, because it's going to restore a healthy balance of protein and moisture, and it is also going to restore your hair's natural shine. It will smoothen your hair shafts to bring back shine, and if you have color treated hair, then it is going to help you because it will condition your hair so the color looks fresh, okay? And this is also going to add moisture, and it's going to hydrate your scalp and your curls. So make sure that you're going to try this. Just watch closely and don't skip any steps so that you will get everything in details, and please make sure to try this out. So like I mentioned earlier, I washed the rice 3 times and I'm done now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in some water into this rice and let it sit overnight. This is very, very important. Please do not skip this step. Do not be in a rush to make this deep conditioning treatment. If you want to use it, then make sure that you soak it the day before. So I'm going to cover it now and let it sit overnight. So this is the next day and our rice is here. It is all fermented now, and this is what it looks like. It is very important for you to leave this so it will ferment, because that is the only way you would get the desired result and consistency we are looking to have. So I'm going to strain this water and add clean water into it and bring it to a boil. You want to make sure that it boils really soft. Make sure it is extra soft, and then we'll move on to the next step. So using rice to boost hair health is a concept that dates back centuries in Asian culture. The starch that is contained in rice acts like a conditioner, and it lays on the outer follicle of the hair, what we also call the cuticles, and it works to prevent the follicles from rubbing against each other and fraying or breaking. So rice contains an antioxidant known as inositol, which has been said to be a hair growth agent, plus a long list of vitamins and minerals that protect the hair against damaging stresses. So rice contains vitamin B, E, fiber, magnesium, manganese, and zinc. So as you can see, I've boiled the rice and it is extra soft now, so I am going to go ahead to blend this. So moving on, rice makes your hair shinier and stronger. It keeps troublesome tangles to a minimum, and it promotes massive hair growth. Rice adds nourishment to your hair. It strengthens the hair. It repairs damage and reduces breakage. It stimulates hair follicles. It softens and smooths the hair. It reduces frizz and improves hair texture. It protects the hair from damage and shields the hair against heat, sun, and environmental stressors. So after you're done blending, you're going to filter the rice and make sure to get rid of the chaff, because we do not want the chaff or rice residue in our hair. So filter it using a cheesecloth, muslin cloth, or whatever you have available. So I'm done filtering this, and this is what we have. Notice how creamy and thick the consistency of this rice is, and this is what we are going for. So if you feel like yours is too thick, then you can add a little bit of water. So I'm going to be adding a few oils to this, and the first I'm going to add is almond oil. And I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon. So this oil prevents hair loss, it conditions the hair, it promotes hair growth, it prevents dandruff and scalp infections, and it nourishes and strengthens the hair. So the next oil I'm going to use is coconut oil, and I'll be adding 1 tablespoon as well. So coconut oil helps to prevent a dry and flaky scalp, it prevents hair breakage and split ends, and contributes to hair length. It adds softness to the hair, it adds luster and shine to the hair, and it moisturizes the hair. So the next oil I'm going to add is this DIY rosemary and cloves oil that I made, and I'll also be adding 1 tablespoon of this. If you want to watch how I made this DIY oil, then I'm going to leave the link in the description box or at the top right corner of your screen. So once you're done, you're just going to stir it properly so that all the oils will mix well together with our mixture. And guys, this deep conditioning treatment is super rich, and it is going to help your hair a whole lot. It is very, very good for the hair. It will make your hair really soft and promote hair growth. It promotes massive hair growth. It's going to take care of your scalp. It will treat your scalp and get deep into the hair follicles so that your hair will grow very well. Take note that the oils we added to this is going to add moisture to your hair, and if you do not have the particular oils I used for this hair treatment, then you're free to use any other carrier oil of your choice. So right now I'm going to go ahead to transfer this into my applicator bottle. So I'll be transferring my deep conditioner into this bottle. This is an empty hair conditioner bottle, and I'll be using this for storage. You can also apply it from your bowl. It depends on what you prefer, but I prefer to use an applicator bottle for easy application. So how you're going to use this is, make sure you use it on a clean scalp, okay? After you shampoo your hair, you can condition if you feel like, and then after that you go in with this deep conditioner and leave it on your hair. After you apply it on your hair from roots to tips, cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for at least 1 hour so that it can penetrate your hair shaft and do the work properly. So when you're done, you can just rinse it off with just water. Most times I don't use a hair conditioner after I shampoo my hair before applying this, because after I use this, it leaves my hair really soft and easy to manage. So you're just going to wash your hair and then apply this on your hair and let it sit for a while, and then you rinse it off with just water. So I won't be needing this right now, so I'm just going to store this in the fridge until when I need it. And once you leave this in the fridge, it lasts for a very, very long time. It lasts for about 1 to 2 months, provided there's stable power supply. Okay, so guys, that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching up to this point if you did, and if you learned something new, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video.